Okay, so this one is a very straightforward question in which they are asking you to find the equation of tangent and normal for this particular curve x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1 at the point root 2a comma b. Right. So since tangent and normals are nothing but straight lines, right? And to write equation of a straight line, you need only two values. One, a point from which those lines pass, right? So that is directly given to you in the question that our lines tangent and normal should be at root 2a comma b. So one thing is already given in the question. Second is the slope of the line, right? Okay, so from the application of derivatives, we have the understanding that slope at any point on the curve is actually given by dy by dx, right? So since I already have my curve is what? X square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So for this particular curve, if I can find dy by dx, that will be the slope of the tangent at that point, right? So let us try to do that. I am differentiating this curve with respect to x, so that will give me 2x upon a square minus 2y upon b square into dy by dx, do not forget this, is equal to 0, right? So from this equation, on simplification, I get my dy by dx value. Dy by dx is what? Dy by dx here will become b square x upon a square y. This is the value of dy by dx. Now dy by dx is what? Dy by dx is the slope of your tangent, right? But we want slope at a very particular point. That point is root 2a comma b. So our slope of tangent will become how much? Slope of tangent at this particular point P, let us call this point P, will become b square into root 2a upon a square into value of y, which is equal to b. So one of the b's will get cancelled out, one of the a's will get cancelled out, and our value of slope at that point will be root 2b upon a. Okay, now let us also find the slope of normal at that point. So if we have to get the slope of normal, then there is a very clear understanding that tangents and normals are perpendicular to each other, right? So I will have this basic relation that slope of tangent into slope of normal should always be equal to -1. So if I use this relation, I will get my value of slope of normal, which is minus of a upon root 2b, right? So now I have everything that is required. I have slope of tangent, I also have the point from which the tangent passes, I have the slope of normal, I also know the point from which the normal passes. So now I can write the equation of tangent and normal directly using point slope form. Okay, so let us start with tangent. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent will become y minus b is equal to root 2b upon a into x minus root 2a. This becomes the equation of tangent, and if I have to write the equation of normal, then equation of normal will become y minus b is equal to minus of a upon root 2b into x minus 2 root 2a, sorry, root 2a. Right? These are your required answers. You may further simplify these equations so that they look much better.